Hello, YouTube, unboxing. Hello. This is an unboxing of the Godox 60W 5600 Kelvin 60 watt LED light. It is $134 on bnhvideo.com versus $160 on Amazon and sketchy as F on eBay and not selling anywhere else. Look at that. Oh, people are gonna hate this video. Some literature, little lit, pass, quality control, pass, warranty card. I'm gonna keep all the Chinese together. All right, sells a little power cable. Really got it in there. Some foam inserts. Oh, that little remote I've heard so much about. It is also passed its little quality test. Oh, it's so cold. I would like to thank FedEx for dropping it off in front of my house and not knocking. Oh, I love you, FedEx. Oh my. Look at that. Look at it. Look how beautiful she is. She only costs $138. Look at that. Look at her. $134. She's only $134, guys. I don't know what I'm doing.
2,000 years later.
Oh my god. This little top coming out. Look at that heat sink. Look at that heat sink. Look at it. She's pretty. Absolutely perfect. Look at the little controls. Look at all the little controls. She's perfect. There goes this direction. Styrofoam just getting everywhere. I love styrofoam as much as our environment does. You all want to see this light plugged in, so we're gonna plug the light in. The light's plugged in, and guess what? Since I'm a basic, I don't have a light stand yet. I have many great friends. They were taken from me and not returned. I'm talking some really class A fellas out there. Well, let's power this thing on. For one, a two. You think I'm dumb? Ooh. Holy macarons! It's so bright. Aha! Oh, it's only at 10%. Here, I'm gonna use this back wall. See how well this gets blown out. Oh, let me show you the little readings we have here. Channel 13A, 10%. And I guess that's the temperature. My phone's ringing. I had no idea who that was. But we only have 8 minutes of recording time left because I didn't empty my memory card either. Gonna slowly turn this bad boy up. Oh, should not stir directly into that. It's 40%. Oh, I looked into it. We're at 70%. Definitely not looking into that. Definitely am not. All right, this is the light at 100% power. And she's bright. Oh, it's so warm. The fan is going in there. I'm gonna put this up so you can hear it. Doesn't seem that loud to me. Maybe if I had 6 of these. Even the corner of it is like staring directly into the sun. That's it for today, guys. We're turning this back down to 10%. Oh, dang. We're back down to 10. Lens flare. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. It'd be great if you did. Okay, bye.